Now this is our heavy-duty S500 drill stand, and it's a very heavy-duty machine. You can drill up to 500 millimeter cores with this machine. That's how we rated it. And although it is very heavy-duty and very strong, it has a lot of special features. It actually isn't so hard to move around the job site. It's got wheels, and it's got buttress bars for your angle adjustment, and you also have a very high performance roller type carriage support system, which gives you low friction movement of your carriage, at the same time giving you excellent control, where you have very little or zero play actually, and these are adjustable as well. To release the carriage lock, you just slide the slider over, and sometimes it helps to wiggle the handle a little bit to loosen the lock. And then sometimes it won't lock. You move just a little bit, and then it allows it to lock. A number of other features that are very important. We have here actually a built-in gear reduction system, which makes this quite a special machine. I'll show you on the other side. Let me turn the machine around. And if you look, you can see on the other side there's only one drive shaft. That's a 1-to-1. But on this side, in addition to the 1-to-1, you have a gear reduction spindle, which is 3.3-to-1 rather than 1-to-1. So you can see it makes it much easier to move. When you're using a very large drill bit, you can see it moves very slowly, so it's very low geared, as opposed to 1-to-1, which moves that much in one rotation. So it's a really nice feature when you're drilling with a very large core bit. We also have the ability to change our angle. We've got our drilling angle, and you can see there's a scale there. Double buttress bars and thread. And then you can use, just according to your scale, you can adjust your angle. Put it at 15 degrees, say. And we've got a jack screw. That's optional. And we also have a number of optional drill spacers. Here's your standard mounting spacer, which will just bolt right onto your drill motor. And in addition to the standard one, which is a single bolt, we have these extension spacers, which are going up to, we got 200 millimeter, 150, 145. And we also have a clamp bracket if you're using a handheld drill and you want to mount it into here. Now, maintenance on this machine is fairly straightforward. You would just be adjusting your rollers in case you have some clearance in your rollers and you get a little shaking during drilling. You can, these are eccentric shafts, these two on this side. These two are straight, and these two are just marked with a special circle. To adjust your rollers, you'll notice that the two on the left are on eccentric and they have a special mark on the bolt, while the other side is plain. So these are not adjustable. You just adjust the ones on this side. And if you can, with your carriage locked, if you can turn the roller, you know it's too loose. And so you'll take your 24 millimeter wrench and turn until it stops. And then go about another further eighth of a turn. And to make sure it isn't too tight, you unlock your carriage and see that it moves freely. The other thing, when you're mounting the machine, of course, we have our leveling screws, and those are just used in case you have an uneven surface. You can adjust these to whatever is necessary to make it level. And you're probably wanting to be using a spirit level on your column. And you adjust it to make sure you're perfectly level so you drill a nice straight hole. And you can relax them after and adjust them as needed before you finally tighten your drill stand down. Of course, you're using something like an optional block to be tensioning it down. So say you're drilling with a 500 millimeter bit, the bit would not have enough clearance to mount, so you would have to mount in your spacer. I'll just take one of these spacers as an example. I'll take this. fit the dovetail in, just as if you're mounting a drill motor, and then you fasten both flock bolts. TM10. And goes right into the dovetail and tightens with your 19mm wrench. And that's how the extension spacer works. And that, of course, is optional. We can go up to 200. And you can also stack these spacers together if you need additional clearance. And that works. So, for example, I can take this spacer if I wanted to mount it. And I can stack them together. Give us whatever the clearance we need. But for now, I'll take this off. And another thing I'd like to mention to you is that this column it's a 1 meter column, gives you 690 millimeters of effective stroke for drilling. But we also have an extra long version of the S500 for if you're doing some kind of special drilling, which is very, very large capacity. And now the standard model has a 1 meter column, which gives you an effective 690 millimeters of stroke. But for some applications, the standard model isn't long enough. So we have our special version, which is a 1.6 meter column, which can be used for special deep drilling or for other applications as needed. Today we're going to talk about how we're going to mount our drill stand to the workpiece. And the best way to mount your drill stand is to use what we call a drop-in anchor. And so you're going to have to do your layout and you measure the distance from the center of your intended hole to where you're going to set your anchor, and it depends on the size of your stand. You can figure it out. So here, there's a few tools that you're going to need before you begin. First, you're going to need a rotary hammer, and you're going to have the right size drill bit for your drop-in anchor, and you should drill to the correct depth, and then you drive in your anchor with a driving tool for the anchor and a sledgehammer. And then for mounting the drill to the drill stand, you'll need a length of thread rod and a nut, and also a mounting plate. This is our optional mounting plate, and you can see it's as strong as possible. It'll give you a really secure mounting to the workpiece. And also in your setup, you'll need a tape measure to measure where to put your hole, and if it's crucial the alignment of your hole, you'll need to have some kind of a spirit level for aligning your stand before you finally tightening it down onto the workpiece. And so first we'll begin by drilling our hole for our drop-in anchor. Now before you set your anchor, you have to make sure the hole is completely clean, free of any dust, to make sure it has a good hold. Otherwise it may come loose when you're operating. That would not be good. Now to set your anchor, you use this special setting tool so it can drive it into the hole without damaging the threads. And you just take your sledgehammer and drive it into the hole. Now you remove the driving tool. Now you mount your stand over the anchor in the position you want. You grab your mounting plate. And put in your threaded rod. And before you finally tighten it, you want to make sure your stand is level, so put your level on there. Adjust your leveling bolts as needed. And once you've got it level, you final tighten it. And that's tight, and you're ready to drill.